here at Maker Monday. I'm Nicole and we're making some frozen yogurt bark today. So let's get our ingredients ready. Okay, so here we've got some yogurt, some granola, some berries, and we're going to have our baking paper lining our tray. You can use a baking tray or a container, anything that you've got at home. And then we've got our plate ready to serve up with our spoons. Okay, so first we're going to pop our yogurt on the bottom. We're just going to smooth it out, and probably around 1 centimetre thick. Just get it all in there and spread. You could use a knife if a spoon's a little bit difficult. And then we're just going to add our toppings. Okay, so we've got some strawberries. And we've got some blueberries. You could add any sort of fruit that you like, or any nice other sweet treats, but this is kind of the healthy version. Okay, and then we've got some granola. I think it looks really pretty with the berries in it too. And there's some nuts, just add a bit of colour, and seeds. And then all we're going to do is pop it in the freezer. I think it only takes about 20 minutes to set, and then I'm going to show you how to break it up. Okay, so we just pop it out of the freezer. It should be nice and hard, and we're going to crack it into little bark pieces. And if you want to portion it, you can use a cupcake holder or some chocolate molds. So here's our completed frozen yogurt bark, a nice healthy treat.